Hello everyone, I am Dr. N.B. Shama Bharati, lecturer in English from Government Degree College, Kalyan Durg. Today, I am going to present the detailed process of summarizing for the given text, which is a prescribed topic for 4th sem students. The purpose of summarizing is to present the key points of a theory or work in order to provide the particular context. Hope you will learn how to summarize for the given text as I explained with examples in this video. Thank you. Summarizing. We need to know what is summarizing. Summarizing means explaining an idea into a short form by taking the main ideas of the original text. Let us know what are the steps involved in summarizing. The following steps are helpful when you are summarizing your own or someone else's writing. Read the entire text once or twice if necessary without making notes. You cannot write a summary of a text when you don't fully understand. So, read the text slowly and carefully by following the meaning of the topic. If some parts of the original are still not clear, go back and read them again. Some writers find it helpful to try to describe the key points in what they have just read. Now, reread the text by underlining the essential information as you go. You focus on the purpose statement and the topic sentences in each paragraph. Try to summarize each paragraph in a sentence. Later, you go through the original one, this time by crossing out any underlined material that you realize is not essential. Draft your summary in your own words. You try to include everything you are left, even if you know there is too much. You can revise it later. Now, edit your own version for conciseness. Delete words that are not doing any work, and wherever possible, merge related ideas into single concise sentences. Now again go back to the original and check that you have preserved the essential information without adding any new content. Doing the basic work, we need to check to make sure the summary truly expresses the main point of the original text, and also check the clarity of your sentences and paragraphs, and if possible use transitions like as a result, next, however, etc. as needed to make sure the ideas flow logically. In the end, we need to add the references of the original text in the beginning of the paragraph or else at the end of the paragraph. Let us now look at one example. I will read it out because we need to find out what the text is about, and also we need to understand the meaning of the topic so that we can make a meaningful condensed text. The text has got originally 138 words. This text is stuffed with so many important points like WHO's warning to the world, name of the virus, its causes, its symptoms, and how it spreads, incubation period, and symptomless for some patients. Now, before going to summarize, let us read out the entire text slowly. The original text is: WHO warned the world all around about the spread of coronavirus family, which causes illness that has similar characteristics like common cold and also symptoms like severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS. This seventh generation virus of corona family is named as COVID-19, having the ability to severely affect human beings, spreading from person to person on contact. Basing on this nature of virus, on March 11th, WHO declared it as a pandemic disease. The symptoms of the COVID-19 infection come out after 14 days, as the incubation period in the human body is said to be between 1 to 14 days. It is also a significant feature that some of the patients infected with this virus do not exhibit any symptoms of the disease, even though the virus exists in their body. This is the original text of 138 words. Next, we'll see how to summarize this text. Here you can see the original text with 138 words by sorting out into 56 words. As I said earlier, we need to remember the points before going to summarize the text. The first one is, we need to shorten the text in such a way that all the facts are in the summary by leaving examples, evaluations, and interpretations. Next, we need to skim the text to find out the main content. Reading again, we need to know more details. Next, noting down important keywords. After that, connecting the sentences by using conjunctions. Here I have marked in different colors to make you understand what are the important points we have taken out. Those points I have written separately so that the original text has got 138 words and the sorted points are 56 words. The entire topic of the original text has been extracted and made into a condensed passage. The main points are: WHO warned the world, characteristics like common cold, SARS, MERS, the seventh generation virus of corona family is named as COVID-19, spreading from person to person on contact. On March 11th, WHO declared it as a pandemic disease. Symptoms come out after 14 days. Some of the patients don't exhibit any symptoms of this disease. Now, In the next slide, we can see how the important points have been noted down. In this slide, you can see the important points which are sorted out from the first draft with 7 points. This marked text has been finalized into a summary of 5 points. At last, it will be written in the form of a paragraph. Before going to finalize the summary, we need to note down some important points. That a summary begins with an introductory sentence that states the title. A good summary should give an objective outline of the whole piece of writing. It should answer basic questions about the original text, such as who did what, where and when, and what is the main idea of the text, and what are the main supporting points. And a summary should be written in the form of a paragraph. At last, a summary doesn't need a conclusion, but if the original ends with message, it should not be left out. By keeping in view of all these points, the first draft of the summary will be finalized. That is into 5 points. They are: the 7th generation virus of corona family is named as COVID-19. It spreads from person to person on contact. WHO declared it as a pandemic disease. Symptoms look like common cold, SARS, MERS, come out after 14 days. At last, symptoms of the disease are not seen in some patients. These 5 points must be at last ended with a paragraph. That is, the 7th generation virus of corona family is named as COVID-19. It spreads from person to person on contact. WHO declared it as a pandemic disease. Symptoms look like common cold, SARS, MERS, come out after 14 days. Symptoms of the diseases are not seen in some people. So in this way, it is condensed into 47 words. Here I have given one more example for summarizing. This topic is about how youth play a vital role in the constructive process of building social cohesion, economic prosperity, and political stability in a nation in an inclusive and democratic way. The involvement of youth in the nation building process is must and play an important role. This topic is of 233 words. We can make it into a condensed and meaningful paragraph by following the steps which we discussed earlier. Here I have given a Telugu text of coronavirus which is easy for you to understand, and you can sort out the important points easily, and finally you can prepare an abridged and meaningful paragraph. Hope you will make use of this video and try to incorporate the same points for the question given in your examination to score good marks. Thank you for watching this video.